Welcome to our channel, and let's dive into the crucial steps to fix denied claims in financial insurance so you get your rightful coverage without hassle. When an insurance claim is denied, it can feel overwhelming and discouraging, but understanding the process can empower you to take the right steps to resolve the issue. First, calmly review the denial letter to understand the specific reason your claim was rejected. Insurance companies are required to provide a clear explanation, such as missing documentation, policy exclusions, or errors in the claim submission. Next, gather all relevant documents related to your claim, including your policy details, bills, receipts, medical records, or any correspondence with the insurer. Having organized and complete paperwork strengthens your case when you appeal. Third, contact your insurance company's claims department to request a detailed explanation if the denial reason is unclear. Ask specific questions and take notes during the conversation. Sometimes, simple misunderstandings can be resolved with a quick call. Following this, prepare a formal written appeal letter addressing the denial reasons point by point. Provide additional evidence or clarification that supports why your claim should be approved. Ensure your appeal is clear, concise, and professional, since this letter will be reviewed by an adjudicator. In addition to your appeal letter, include copies of all supporting documents and keep the originals safe for your records. Upload or mail your appeal according to your insurer's guidelines and keep copies of everything sent. Tracking deadlines is crucial, as appeals often have strict time limits, so submit your paperwork well before the expiry date. After submission, follow up regularly on the status of your appeal. Persistence can help expedite the review process. If your appeal is denied again, seek assistance from an independent insurance claims advocate or a legal advisor who specializes in insurance disputes. They can offer expert guidance and may help negotiate a settlement. Lastly, always educate yourself on your policy's terms and limits and keep clear communication with your insurer throughout the process. Being proactive and informed enables you to protect your rights effectively. By following these steps strategically, you can increase the likelihood of overturning a denied claim and gaining access to the benefits you deserve. Remember, insurance is designed to protect you financially. Don't let a denial prevent you from exercising your rights properly. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on important insurance tips and guides.